Good morning, YouTube. I've been using the Google Home for a couple of years and several Google Home Minis. They're obviously very useful. I use them for all kinds of things around the house every day. And now there's a Google Home Hub. Big difference here, it has a screen. Let's see, I don't know if that's gonna be a big benefit or not. Hopefully it will. Let me open the box. Google Home Hub. Hands-free help at home. Hey Google, add doctor's appointment to my calendar. What bakeries are nearby? Command your day. Simplify your smart home. Answers for any moment. Make hands-free calls. Play your favorite songs. Light sensor, far field microphone, 7-inch touchscreen display, full range speaker, voice match, multi-room audio, Bluetooth 5. Here we go. Ooh, look at that. So it looks like an iPad mini until you pull it out. And then you see the iPad mini has this half speaker base cut into it. There's a button there. It's pretty light. There's the Google Orange. So it's wrapped in plastic. Okay. Wow, look at that. Take a look at the rest of the box quickly. Plug it in and get the app. That's it. Do we need that? And some warranty card. And this. Okay, I'm going to plug it in now and set it up. Wow, that display is really bright.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
That should be no problem since I already have that app. One device found. Google Home Hub 8322 ready for setup. Setup. Would you like to set up? Yes. See the code? Yes. Yes, I'm in. Oh, this is because it's from the US.
The remainder of the setup process is very straightforward. Just like most Android devices, you log into your Wi-Fi, it updated, you tell it give it some of your settings like your address and various defaults. You can choose your default music service, your default video service. Then it reboots one more time. At this point, you have to verify your phone number and choose a clock style for ambient mode. It also tells you about the mic mute button, the ambient sensor, and the volume switches.
Oh, that's a mic mute switch on the back. And volume controls are also on the back. Living room display is ready. Finish setup.
Welcome to your Google Home Hub. It has the Google Assistant built in,
Hi, how can I help?
so you can use your voice to get help at a glance. Check it out. Jumpstart your day with a personalized routine. Just say, "Hey Google, good morning." For the weather, your calendar, reminders, and more.
Your commute to work is 20 minutes by car.
Simply tap to see your home screen, where you can get useful info about your day, check out videos and recipes, and explore all the things your assistant can do. Have a question? Just ask for help from Google or YouTube. Hey Google, show me how to cut a pineapple.
Okay, playing on YouTube.
Now you can see and control all of your devices from a single dashboard. Just swipe down from the top of the screen for Home View, where you can see the status of your home, view devices in each room, and adjust the lights, pause the TV, and monitor cameras, like the Nest Hello Video doorbell. Hey Google, show me the front door. Unwind in the evening with your favorite songs and videos from YouTube Music. Hey Google, play Dua Lipa. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to adjust volume or brightness. Or use the volume buttons behind the right side of the display. To turn off the mics, simply slide the mic mute switch. And with live albums from Google Photos, Hub will automatically display the best and latest photos taken by you and your loved ones. Setup is simple in the Google Home app. You can also search for photos by voice. Hey Google, show me my photos from Hawaii. And aloha. What's this? It's Hub's light sensor. It allows Hub to automatically match the colors and lighting in any room, so photos on Hub blend in with your home. And when it's time for bed, Hub knows to dim for a good night's sleep. Remember, if you ever want to learn more, just say, "Hey Google, what can you do?" Ready to give Hub a try? Swipe from the left edge of the screen to exit and get started.
Hey Google, when did Disney buy Star Wars?
2012. Here's a summary from the website HollywoodReporter.com. Wall Street analysts slotted the Walt Disney Co.'s decision in
Where's the summary?
2012 to buy Lucasfilm, home of George Lucas's Star Wars franchise, despite a high price tag of $4.06 billion.
I've been using this Home Hub now for several weeks, and I can answer the question, is it more useful to have a display? Sure, it is more useful to have a display. These are the use cases that I particularly like. I like when you ask for a timer. Set a timer for 2 minutes.
Sure, 2 minutes. Starting now.
Then it's constantly showing you the status of that timer. You don't have to ask some speaker for the status. You can glance over and always see the status of your timer. I like that. That's definitely an added value to having a screen there. It's also nice for certain songs. When you request a song, it shows the lyrics. A third thing I like is when you ask for a change to the thermostat or to change the volume on the TV. It brings up controls so you can see others. Turn on my TV. Other controls you might want to use for the TV.
Sure, turning on my TV.
I do like that too. The UIs that it brings up when you request actions from certain devices, that is added value. It's a nice speaker. It works well for audio. I was pleasantly surprised about that. And overall, I'm pretty happy with it. I like having a display on the speaker, and I want to actually get a couple more for the house, one for upstairs. Okay, thank you for watching.